right, I'll take 2 more.
The pale ale.
Yeah, pale ale, hoppy pale ale.
Wow.
Yeah.
Delicious. Really?
Hoppy, not as bitter as an IPA.
That's very delicious. That's a very delicious beer.
I do like it.
But 100% extract, which blows my mind that it came out that good.
What kind of style is it?
It's just an American pale ale with mosaic hops.
Very tropical.
Yeah, a little hint of grapefruit to me.
It's very
I can get, you know what? You can pour it. You can pour it. You've seen how. Yeah.
I like it.
I was shocked at how good it is. Yeah, you can do the best
She's
beers,
not
but you can mess it up.
drinker.
And you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I didn't want clumps of malt in my beer.
Okay.
It's nice and crisp,
Yeah.
It is.
smooth. It's even though it's mosaic, it's still not bittery hoppy. That's nice. That's a very drinkable beer.
Yeah, soup is just a pound of extract.
For,
And I've never had extract taste that good.
Yeah.
for someone who I don't particularly go for an IPA, a hoppy beer, this is one that I could drink
It's very smooth.
over and over.
Yeah.
That's good.
Better than most commercial pale ales to me.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, that's pretty nice.
Pretty good, a lot of butter.
Yeah, 100% extract.
Okay, well, got a lot of butter flavor.
Little butter? Okay.
That's pretty good.
But it's good for a pale ale, really good. And 100% extract, everything, even the hops. So I was impressed.
That was very good.